Hey, how's it going? This is Wilmer from Branson Cerakote and Laser, and today we're going to be talking about our trip down to San Antonio laser engraving. So recently we went down to San Antonio to go to San Antonio laser engraving CO2 training course. Our trainer's name was Xavier, and he did a fantastic job. If you want to do their training, just go to their website, SALE lasers.com. SALE, if you're wondering, is San Antonio Laser Engraving, SALE. That's their little nickname, but yeah, definitely go check them out. They got a great training course, a great website, and if you do end up wanting to go to the training, make sure you use our coupon code to get $500 off your training. That coupon code is Branson2022, and definitely look into their training program and their lasers. They're a phenomenal company. But anyway, on our trip down there, it was about a 10 to 15 hour drive, and we stayed in an Airbnb while we were there. The training course runs from 7 to 4 Monday through Friday, and we went Monday through Thursday, as Friday we had to go back home to Missouri. While we were there, we also went to the Riverwalk, which was a ton of fun. If you're down in San Antonio, I would definitely suggest going down there. But overall, we had a ton of fun at their training course in San Antonio, and it was just a great time. When we were done with the training course, we had to take the laser back home with the U-Haul. And once we got here, we had to rent a forklift in order to get it out of the truck. And that was a big deal because we had to actually wait a couple of days because, as you'll see in the footage, there's actually a lot of ice behind our shop, so we had a delay actually moving the laser into the shop for a couple days. But we'll show you a couple pictures of the laser in our shop now, and as always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching the video. The rest of the video will just be different video clips and pictures of our trip down there. But if you guys haven't already, make sure to go check out Applicator Hangout, our membership website for applicators and Cerakoters and just gun people in general. But make sure to go check that out, and as always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and check us out at BransonCerakote.com for your laser, stencil, and Cerakote needs. Have a wonderful day.